Biden administration hosted a Rural Communities in Action event to highlight rural investments across the country from the Bipartisan Infrastructure Law.
And today's event comes as lawmakers work to finalize a new farm bill, which is expected to also bring serious investments to rural communities. Our Washington correspondent, Brendan Scanlon, he's live on Capitol Hill with those details for us. Brendan?
Hey there, Renata and Nick. Good evening. Well, during today's White House panel, which took place earlier this morning, local leaders and rural advocates were able to ask questions and hear firsthand how federal dollars, including billions of that bipartisan infrastructure law, are being used to really rebuild and revitalize rural communities across America. Today, lawmakers and senior officials with the Biden administration highlighted the impact the bipartisan infrastructure law continues to have across America. Transportation Secretary Pete Buttigieg said nearly 60,000 local projects and counting are receiving federal dollars as a result.
What every one of those has in common is that it was not invented in the U.S. Department of Transportation headquarters in Washington, D.C. Our whole philosophy here is that the answers aren't going to come from Washington, D.C., but more the funding should. And now it is. And that's what the infrastructure decade is all about. And it is by design set up to be as empowering as possible for local communities, solving the problems that you hear about from the people you serve.
The administration says the infrastructure dollars are currently working to provide safer roads, cleaner water, better internet, as well as affordable and accessible child care and health care in rural communities.
In our bill, we invest in rural health care, including elder care facilities, behavioral health centers, and schools.
Senator Debbie Stabenow is looking to build off current progress with the upcoming Farm Bill.
Making meaningful investments that frankly focus our tax dollars on American farmers that have dirt under their fingernails, not Wall Street bankers and foreign investors.
Stabenow is leading the way on a new Farm Bill in the Senate as chair of the Committee on Agriculture, Nutrition, and Forestry. She says the agriculture industry is the backbone to rural America.
Keep farmers farming, keep families fed, and keep rural communities strong.
And lawmakers recently unveiled a draft of that new upcoming farm bill. It still has to go through a few different steps before everything is said and done, and has to receive committee markups, committee hearings. But lawmakers we spoke to said they hope everything is finalized by this summer. Reporting live on Capitol Hill for WENY News, I'm Brendan Scanlon. Renata and Nick, back to you.